Hello, in this video we're going to walk through your trader's journey with our prop firm, Traders with Edge. We're going to walk through the account creation process, how quickly you'll receive your logins, the dashboard that you have access to, how to request payments, how to get support, and everything else that you need to know. Let's get into it. The first thing to note is you'll navigate through the website and you can see the trader's journey there for how we provide funding and where you can potentially end up with us as a prop firm. We've got a calculator there to calculate your potential earnings if you know what you're likely to return. And here's the main area that you want to see on the homepage. There's also a tab up the top called Challenges that you can go and select your challenge as well. So in this example, I'm going to Turtle account. We have Turtle and Hare. Have a look. They've both got different trading metrics. You can look through those and decide what is better for your trading style. We will have larger funding plans in the future. So currently we only have up to 500,000 in funding per trading account for Turtle and up to 100,000 for Hare. We will, however, have $1 million account on Turtle and a $200,000 account and potentially a 400,000 on the Hare as well. Select what you would like there. Notice you've got an option of MT4 or MT5. MT5 has hundreds more instruments to trade than MT4 does. So consider that when choosing your option. You have a lot more equities available on here and other instruments that you can trade. So let's just go ahead and select that. We'll then be redirected to the checkout and I'm going to scroll down, enter your details. Mine are already pretty much pre-filled here. Okay, I'll just enter my email address. Click continue. If you'd like to leave a note for us, you can. You don't have to. So notice my account here. I'll scroll down. I've got various payment options. You can do direct bank transfer if you'd like. If you select direct bank transfer, you can transfer the funds directly to our bank account via electronic funds transfer. You don't have to wait for us to issue your account. It won't be automatic, but we will issue your account as soon as we receive your email with the receipt to show that you've sent payment. Then we'll issue your account, typically within 4 hours or less. If you'd like to speed up that process, you've always got the live chat down here that you can message us and say, hey, I just made payment, I've sent the receipt, and then we'll issue the account for you faster. You can pay via digital options here, and you've got credit cards down here as well. You can save the payment for future purchases. That will just save it in our system. It'll be encrypted so your data is safe. Agree to the terms and conditions. Place the order. It will then show you that your payment has gone through, and then you want to check your email. You will receive a number of different emails from us once you sign up. And the first one is thank you for your order. It'll just have your payment details in there. Next, you will receive an email that looks something like this, and it will show your username and a link to set your password. Lastly, you'll receive an email that looks something like this, and it will say hi. It will have your login details to your dashboard here. It will also have your MT4 or MT5 login down here. It'll have a link to the download for the MT4 or MT5. And also I suggest that you join the Telegram groups so that you keep updated with any updates and also connect with other people there. For the meantime, you'll be able to get support through the Telegram group. Coming up in future, we have our own forum that's going to be set up on the website. So with your same website logins, you'll be able to log in, access the forum, and have proper structured conversations with people. I know Telegram sometimes can be a bit overwhelming with a big stream of different conversations that are all not related to the one thing. We'll have proper structured group on our forum. So let's just go ahead, get our login details, and let's log into our dashboard. Always copy and paste so there's no mistake. You don't want a space at the start or the end. Once you're logged into the site, you'll see your dashboard that looks something like this. It's going to vary depending on what size your screen is. If it's bigger, then it could look like this. It automatically adjusts to the size of your screen. So what we'll notice over here is your objectives for your account. You'll notice that I'm on a Turtle account, a challenge, and it's MT5. You'll see the profit target here, the daily loss limit, your maximum loss limit, and the bar will come up. So if you've made some losses for the day, for example, the bar will move up and the profit will move up. Your total risk available is here, and this is the open risk. So if you look at the open risk rule, that's what this relates to. Also, your max risk per position is shown down here when you have positions that are open. Your account equity, your current account equity here, this updates every minute. It'll show your account balance here, daily drawdown, your limit. You can see here that the daily drawdown limit is 195,000. The maximum drawdown can be down to 190. Over here, time until challenge ends. So as soon as you place your first first trade, this timer will start ticking down. So instead of trying to figure out how long you've got left until the end, this will tell you up here. Down here you've got your main chart. You can see your profit target up here in the green, the current balance of the account, the daily drawdown, the maximum drawdown, just so you've got a visual there as well. Down here you've got some more interesting information based on your trading. Here you'll see the rules for this phase of the challenge, whichever type of challenge you're on. Your win rate and your loss rate will be here. Now if you click on account history, this will show you all of your trades. Now obviously with this account I haven't placed any trades. If we go over to profit share, when your account is in profit and at the point where you're eligible to withdraw your profits, you'll see the request withdrawal button will pop up. And you'll be able to press that, enter your details and submit the request through to us. Please note that before you submit your first withdrawal request, you need to have sent us the KYC information. You would have received an email about this. There will be a link and it says go to the KYC page, enter your details, upload some documents. The link is at the bottom of the website for KYC and you would have received an email for it. Just simply enter your details here for proof of identification before we send your first payment. You'll be able to see the history of your withdrawals here and the amount that was paid out. Under the My Profile page, you'll be able to download the MT4 or MT5 platforms. You'll see any accounts that you've purchased down here. And lastly, down the bottom, you'll notice we have current time and rollover time. So the current time is what the current time is, Eastern Standard Time, and the rollover time is the time that the broker server rolls over, and that's when we calculate the daily drawdown limit and the maximum drawdown. So make sure you're familiar with those rules. This timer here just makes it easier for you to understand when is the rollover time and you can manage your trades accordingly. Maybe you want to close them out before rollover or maybe you want to hold your trades. It's up to you. So that concludes our walkthrough. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments below.